Tasya Sanjanayan Harsham Crores Pitamah Singhanaad Vindya Ucche Sankham Dadma Pratapavan. My crores of salutation to the feet of Shri Krishna. In today's video, I will tell you the verse 12 of Shrimad Bhagavad Gita Chapter 1. Let me tell you that I have made all these verses in the simplest form for you in both Hindi and English languages. So, those who want to watch my video of Bhagavad Gita in English can also watch my video, and those who want to watch my video of Shrimad Bhagavad Gita in Hindi can also watch my video. The way I have translated all these verses and described the teachings from those verses, you will not find such descriptions step by step anywhere on any platform. I have made the video absolutely free for you. Yes, only for you, to show you the easy path in the difficult path of Kaliyug. Let us begin with verse 12 of chapter 1. The verse is Tasya Sanjanayan Harsham Crores Pitamah Singhanaad Vindya Ucche Sankham Dadma Pratapavan. Let me tell you again that this verse is also known as Arjun Vishad Yog. This verse was spoken when the armies of the Kauravas and the Pandavas were ready for war face to face on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Before the war began, Duryodhan had doubt about the actual condition of his army. That doubt was because Duryodhan knew very well that even though the army of the Pandavas was small, it was well organized. Duryodhan knew very well that his army was much larger than theirs, and there were many brave and valiant warriors in his army. Still, the fear of losing the war was haunting Duryodhan. The nervousness was clearly visible on the face of poor Duryodhan, because Duryodhan felt that Bhishma, Kripacharya and his Guru Dronacharya himself had affection for the Pandavas, due to which he knew that they would not fight the war with the heart for the Pandavas. But still, Duryodhan went to Guru Dronacharya ji, knowing and understanding everything, because his Guru was Guru Dronacharya ji. At that time, people gave the status of God to the Guru. At that time, the relationship between the Guru and the disciple was something different. Now he thought of telling his tension to Guru Dronacharya, because the Guru would definitely tell some way to Duryodhan. Duryodhan started telling Guru Dronacharya ji about the preparation of the Pandavas' army. Both of them talked for some time. Duryodhan could not find a solution from this conversation. Now what happened was that Duryodhan became mentally disturbed. Duryodhan started worrying that his army should not fail. He may have to face a terrible defeat in the war. Now in such a situation, it is the turn of Bhishma Pitamah. Let me tell you that Bhishma Pitamah was born with the name Devvrat. He had taken a vow to remain celibate throughout his life. Bhishma was educated by Lord Parshuram. Bhishma Pitamah, the oldest and most glorious warrior of the Kuru dynasty, understood Duryodhan's feelings. Bhishma Pitamah thought that if such fear remained in Duryodhan's mind, then his defeat by the Pandavas is 101% certain. Now Bhishma Pitamah roared loudly like a lion to relieve Duryodhan's tension, to drive away the fear in his mind, to please Duryodhana. Singhanaad means blowing the conch in a very high tone. Bhishma Pitamah believed the conch in a high tone because in ancient times the war started by blowing the conch. The sound of the conch removes negative energy. If you want to know the importance of the sound of the conch in more depth, then tell me by commenting. I will also present its video for you in the simplest form. The entire battlefield was filled with the sound of the conch by Bhishma Pitamah. After all this, you will be surprised to know that even though Bhishma Pitamah was the commander of the Kauravas, he had affection for the Pandavas in his heart. Bhishma was a follower of religion and policies. He knew very well that the Kauravas were on the path of adharma and the Pandavas were on the path of dharma, but he had to support adharma. He had to support adharma because he was loyal to Hastinapur. Bhishma fought the war as per his vow, knowing that this war would be disaster. Still, he fought the war and fulfilled his vow and his duty as the commander of the Kauravas. In this way, Bhishma met Duryodhan happy, but internally, that is, indirectly, by blowing the conch. You are understanding right. Symbolically, Bhishma told the frustrated and troubled Duryodhan that I do not see even 1% possibility of victory in the war. I have no hope of winning the war because on the other side are the Pandavas and Lord Krishna himself. The Leela of God is infinite. Due to Bhishma religious nature, he recognized Lord Krishna himself, but still not stepping back from his duty. Bhishma guided the war and fought on the side of the Kauravas. Thus we have reached the last part of this Shloka. You will not find a simple translation of the Shloka of Shrimad Bhagavad Gita by me anywhere else, both in Hindi and English. Thank you very much. Speak with love. Do I always have to speak? Speak. Thank you very much.